So if you've been wanting to quit smoking, these Rugby nicotine patches is something that my friend has tried. So I thought I would do a review and let you know what they like about them. First of all, there's 7 patches in this box, and they come in these little individual packets. And when you open it up, they're just this is the actual size of the patch, and it just peels off, and you just would stick it like on your arm or wherever you want to place it. The main thing is you want to make sure it's a dry area, and also clean is the main thing. Like rub it with an alcohol swab or something. And if you use it on your arm, you want to put it like in a different spot, even if it's up here, and then the next time you want to put it lower or on the other arm. Just make sure that it's clean and in a different area. You're going to wear it for 24 hours, and it takes about 2 hours, he said, for the nicotine, or for him anyway, to start feeling it help him. And there was 3 main things that really helped him. He said with cravings and the withdrawal a lot, and also with brain fog. So those 3 things I feel like were big things. And also he liked that this brand was less toxic, had less toxic chemicals in it than some of the other ones that he had tried before and didn't help. Each one, each patch has 21 milligrams of nicotine in it. So anyway, I just thought I would review it and let you know what he thought, and those are the things that seem to help him with. So if you've been trying to find a brand and try to help you quit smoking, I would highly recommend these to try.